back, I posted this on my YouTube channel, and this was your response. These were the few questions that I got to answer. So, let's begin. What's your name and how old are you? My name is Kritika and I'm 23 years old. Amiti Arunmozi. Hi, how old are you? Hello Amiti, I am 23 years old. Victoria. Are you a girl or a boy? Where are you from? How old are you? And by the way, a big thank you for uploading Entangled with Duke. Hello Victoria. As you all might have understood till now that I'm a girl. I'm from India. The next one is by, I'll call it as Alice because I don't want to pronounce something wrong. It is, hi, thank you for uploading your translations. I would like to ask, what is your favorite webtoon or manga? From the current ones, my favorite are Entangled with the Duke, then My Bride at Twilight. This is a vampire-based story and you can find it on webcomics. The Knave Mr. Lou, this is also available on webcomics. Second to None Adoration, this is available on Mangatoon. This is also called as the best love in the world. You can find it on Google. I guess mangasay.com is the site and it is way ahead as compared to the Mangatoon. So you can go read it there. The story is very interesting. Then True Beauty. True Beauty is my favorite webtoon. Next question is, can you recommend any webtoons or mangas similar to Entangled with the Duke? For that, I would recommend you to read The Knave Mr. Lou. It is not a historical based manga like Entangled with the Duke, but in this also the girl just acts like a boy and the male lead falls head over heels for her, and the story is really cute. In this also the art is really good and the author makes each and every episode humorous as well. So even in the serious scenes you can find something which will make you laugh. If you want the historical ones, then you can read Princess Tomboy and Grumpy Prince. In this also, initially the girl poses like a boy, but later on, like, secret is revealed quite early in this comic. It's not dragged too much to reveal the secret. In this also, the prince is really cute. This is My Imperial Boyfriend, available on Mangatoon. Then we have Chasing Star Moon. These all comics are regarding the time travel. Then The Bad Boy Prince. Chasing Star Moon and The Bad Boy Prince are available on webcomics. Then next question is, what do you like to do in your free time? Free time. Actually, I'm quite a phone addict person. Whenever I'm free, I'm just surfing the net to find out more K-dramas or some comics or mangas to read. What is your favorite food? I really am a foodie and I like all the junk food things, pizza, burgers and all that. But in the nutritious food, you can say my favorite are Rajma Chawal, that is Rajma rice. This is an Indian dish. Do you have any pets? No, I don't own any pets. What music do you like and can you recommend any good songs? Music, I like actually Bollywood music and Punjabi songs very much. I don't think if you know these languages or if I can recommend these songs. I'm not much into the K-pop or English songs. My favorite characters are the Prince and Hanir. The next one is, will Lin Han and Zio Jin Yu happy ending together with their childs while you families are bad? This manga is an ongoing manga, so we can't predict about the ending, like when will be the ending or how will be the ending. But yeah, we all wish that they have happy ending. Mr. Arianti, hi, can you tell the author that he or she makes a very beautiful story in Entangled with the Duke? Can the comic transform into a movie someday? I really hope it can make a great movie someday. Yeah, we can actually comment. I guess the Mangatoon sends our comment to the authors as well. I really hope they can make a movie out of it. When did you started reading manga or the webtoon? Actually, I guess I'm reading webtoons or mangas since 1 to 1.5 years. Actually, my first webtoon was True Beauty. I was just surfing the YouTube to find more K-dramas and just randomly I got to see the trailer, and I was like, wow, this is so good story. And then I downloaded the Webtoon app and started reading that. And then I told my friend, one of my friend, that this is also such a great thing. Like, she's also in the K dramas like me. So I was telling her that, see, I have discovered this app Webtoon, and this True Beauty is such a great comic. You can also read it. And I showed her, and that time she told me, yeah, this is a great story. And then she recommended me Mangatoon and web comics. And I was like, wow, this is great. I wasn't knowing about this. So since that time, I'm reading the web comics and mangas. Shuchi. Hi, I would like to know about you more. Also, would like to know if you're interested in adding more comics in your channel. Can you please add Phoenix Nirvana and Love Never Fails comic too? Please, please, please. Sorry if I asked too much, and love you. Thank you for your hard work. Hi Shuchi, actually I'm a final year medical student. Since we all are in lockdown, so in the initial days of the lockdown, I was like quite free and reading all the day manga to watching the K drama stuff. So I just like to discuss the mangas with the different people. So that is why I just made this YouTube channel, so that I can discuss the comics I read with other people. We can listen to their recommendations and can recommend our favorite comics to others. But since now already so many months have already passed and my exams are also approaching, so I'm really busy these days, and I actually don't have time even to translate the Entangle with Duke, because in just around 2 months I'll be having my final year exams. Now I really wasted a lot of time in the initial months. So I'm really sorry. I don't think I'll be able to translate other comics. Can you please do other mangas as well? I would love a variety of other mangas. Really sorry for this. Can you please upload Love at First Sight? Love at First Sight manga is available on Mangatoon, but I guess it's a paid comic. But I guess you can search it on YouTube. There's one channel who is translating and posting it on the YouTube. So, is this manga done? If you're talking about Entangled with the Duke manga, so that manga is not complete yet. It's an ongoing manga, and the author posts the new episodes every Saturday and Sunday. There are 2 episodes published every week. How long does it regularly takes you to translate? Usually it takes me around 2 hours to translate the chapter. Kind of disappointed that there's a 61% of the people who are just downright, nope, we don't care about you, we don't want to know about your personal stuff, just give us manga updates. At least they are honest. This is not a disappointment for me, because actually I didn't even expected that these many questions will come. Like, before posting this, I was like, what if not even a single question came? Like, it would be so embarrassing and all. Then I thought, let's just give it a shot. It's not just that I'm posting my own story, it's just that I'm translating it. So I don't think the audience feels connected to me. Obviously, if you like the story, you will feel connected to the author and not to the translator. So that's why I some sort of expected this, that not much people would be interested in asking questions to me. And actually that was the reason that I posted this, so that I can tell something about me to you people, and then we might feel more connected. So that's it. So thank you everyone for your love to this channel.